Ko-Fi versus Buy Me a Coffee, which one's better in 2025? Hey everyone, can't decide between Ko-Fi and Buy Me a Coffee. To earn money as a creator in just 3 minutes, I'll break down the pros, cons, and key differences so you pick the one that actually works for you. So, both Ko-Fi and Buy Me a Coffee let creators accept tips, sell memberships, and share exclusive content, but they are built differently. Like Ko-Fi offers more control, perfect for artists, writers, and freelancers. And on the other hand, Buy Me a Coffee is simpler and faster to use, great for bloggers, podcasters, and casual creators. So, Ko-Fi is 0% fee on donations, only charges 5% if you use their shop or memberships. Instant payouts via PayPal or Stripe. And Buy Me a Coffee takes 5% fee on all transactions. Payout can take a few days. So the here's the winner is Ko-Fi. It's better if you want to keep more of your money. And let me tell you about memberships and shops. So Ko-Fi lets you offer tiered memberships, digital products, commissions, and even custom shops. And Buy Me a Coffee offers memberships and extras, but fewer options for selling and fulfillment. So here's also the winner is Ko-Fi for serious monetization, BMC if you want simplicity. So after that, Buy Me a Coffee looks sleek and modern. Fans can support you in 2 clicks. And on the other hand, Ko-Fi gives you more branding options like custom pages, headers, and goal tracking. BMC for ease, Ko-Fi if branding matters. So final verdict, choose Ko-Fi if you want full monetization, tool, zero fees on tips, and scalable features. Go with Buy Me a Coffee if you want fast setup and minimal clean experience. That's the breakdown. Let me know if the comments which one you are using. Hit like if this helped and subscribe for more creator platform reviews, money tips, and content tools every week. See you in the next one.